Let's discuss what is unsupervised and supervised learning. Already in previous video I have covered and explained it with an example. Let us see what are the technical differences between supervised and unsupervised. So what is supervised? The input is in the form of raw data that is labeled. Correct? The machine is already fed with the requirement feature set to classify between inputs, that is supervised. It is divided into two types of problems, that is regression and classification. Correct? Regression means you have outputs are real values, or you can say output are continuous values, and classification means the outputs are based on categories. You are classifying that values. Now linear regression for regression problem, random forest for classification, and regression problem support vector machine or classification problem. These are some of the examples, or you can say these are some of the application of supervised learning. So similarly, what is unsupervised learning? The machine is given huge set of data that are not labeled as input to analyze. The machine needs to figure out the output. So you can say output is not given in unsupervised learning. On the basis of figures, data, information what you have, you will able to predict the output. So this is unsupervised learning. Basically association and cluster, these are the two types of problem that we study in unsupervised learning. K means a priori, association rules. These are some of the examples of unsupervised learning. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much.